Y no me pueden ver claro. That's the issue. Right.
Hey, Judge, did you want to go over a few arraignments?
Yeah.
First one is page 10. Hernandez, set for arraignment held for the first time.
2501.
Page 11, Justice, set for arraignment, felt to appear, he did call and said he didn't have a right.
Do you got his phone number? Okay, call him back and, he can come either tomorrow or the next day. And SFBF.
That's it. We're circle thing, but council's here. Okay.
Hey, Ricardo.
Yes, Judge.
L'Oreal has bond violations.
Let me approach Judge. You can't hear you.
That's nice.
Sorry, Judge.
Joyal has bond violations.
Another one? He picked up the new case. Are we talking about after he picked up the new case?
Didn't even see it.
Maybe you were out. So what happened was he picked up a new case. It was yeah, you heard PC. I think you heard PC on it. It's the one when they were in the car and I argued, hey, he didn't hand it to him. He threw it back there. And you were like, hey, but he was in the car with a bunch of guns. I think we talked about it. It was unlawful carry.
I don't have anything because I would have done. I haven't done anything on it because I would have done, because on every single case, I do a PC form that I either find PC or I don't find PC. And I haven't done it. On the new case, I didn't do it. The only thing I have here are, he made a surety bond on 111. So he has court 2-4.
Right, we put both of them on 2-4. I think we've been here like.
I never addressed the.
Judge, I have a note that we did RDPC and I have.
Did?
no
Okay,
comments
I guess I
about-
did. I must have not.
Right, something about he handed it to
Hand-
him
passing the
versus
gun.
tossing it in the
Exactly,
back.
yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so I did find PC?
Yes, you
Yeah.
saw PC, yes.
Guess I must have not done it. then. Let me do
Yeah.
it. Okay, so I'll just disregard it then.
Is there a new violation besides the
No,
charge or?
I'm just going through because since I missed, I think Monday and last week, I have like
That'd be last week. I think it was last week.
just a boatload of I
Yeah.
have to go through.
No, we
so-
talked about this.
It was on Friday,
Yeah.
this previous Friday.
So we're good?
Yeah,
Okay, appreciate it, Judge. Thank you.
I'll just
All right.
continue.
Thanks, man. Thanks for your notes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Good job, Alex. Bless you.
Can I reapproach?
Yeah.
Judge, on Mr. Fox, the state's currently talking to felony to make sure that they're authorized to do that time served. Would you be willing to terminate his probation case, his criminal mischief deferred? Or would you?
You guys think that's appropriate? What do you think on Mr. Fox?
That, he does have an open MAJ, and so we could either time serve him along with the DWI, unless we coordinate with the felony, or really whatever the court, you know, feels.
Doesn't matter to me.
appropriate.
I mean, I didn't want to even take anything because I think he needs to go to treatment, but our hands are really tied because of Fort Bend. Can't do
They
anything.
may even give him treatment once the holds are done here, Judge. I don't know, but it's sort of like, we can't give him treatment because of those cases. They can't give him treatment because of these cases. And so,
We also have a pending evading and felony court, Your Honor, and so one of the things that we're interfacing with felony is, if they were to put him on probation, can they do DWI style
Yes,
condition?
that would be
That would be-
fantastic.
I think in a world of sunshine, where everything goes the way we would like, he would go up to felony, get a treatment plan up there, and then hopefully Fort Bend feels that he's been sufficiently treated here with a conviction for DWI, conviction for the MAJ, and then his treatment terms, if that's what they decide to do up there, here, that they don't feel like they need to pursue their case and that whole
Let's do
gets
that.
released. So in a world where everything goes,
So
I would like it to go.
let's do that. Let's see if we can work a global for everything, and because he's here anyways, I guess. Musica has felony.
Got him
court.
here today, and do you represent him in felony? or
I
is
do
that
not,
somebody else?
and he told me that he's talking to his attorney there about seeing if it can be reduced to a misdemeanor. I don't know if they're willing to do that for a misdemeanor deferred. Well, Judge, I just don't know.
So let's do this. You still have to get the okay from upstairs or what?
I'm just waiting to hear back from them, and then if we don't hear back, I'll just run up there and go talk to them.
No, you don't have to do all that. I mean, really, if
I
you
don't know how
want
to
to,
use the computer, so I'm pretty useless. I'm running up and down the stairs is the thing I can do.
like a day or so just to figure it out, I'm okay with that. If you get the approval now, then we can do it as well.
We just don't want him to get a long reset.
I was hoping that we could do like,
And
yeah, I was hoping we could do a global so that everything takes care of,
Well,
but-
part of it is, I think he's been motivated to not work out his felony because he's stuck in here anyway. So I think that.
I'm willing to work it out
Right.
because I know that Fort Bend really ties us up and I wanted to put him in treatment. Ever since day one, they said, we had him TRAS, they say, put him in treatment. And I was convinced not to. And then he ends up picking 3 other cases up.
we'll coordinate with felony to see what their case and what they are planning to
Yeah,
offer.
okay.
And then
Yeah, I'm down with whatever.
we can
Sure. So
coordinate with his defense attorney up there.
if we don't hear back today, just roll it to maybe a day or?
Day or 2 or whatever. Yeah.
All right.
Sounds good.
Is he even here?
No, he's here, Judge. I've been talking to him back there. Okay. All right. Thank you, Judge.
Thanks, Your Honor.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. Happy New Year. I haven't seen you. Your Honor, I'm here on Angel Rodriguez.
Okay.
The DWI PTI. We have the contract today. He has the portable. He just got the portable yesterday. He just paid the DA fee today. I'm going to have him sign everything. I'm asking that this case be rolled for tomorrow so then I
I'm
can
okay with that.
get to the office and have it
For sure.
scanned and so.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
And I mean, if you have everything done, everything's signed and they're ready to file the supervision order, I'll waive the appearance so you don't have to waste his time coming
Thank you so much, sir.
Good morning.
Hey, of course.
Your Honor, I have a case on the docket tomorrow. I was wondering if we could look at it today.
Sure.
Case number is 251,
Okay, 5-4.
251
Oh,
8895.
it's old.
It's 190, I think, Judge, something like that. I've submitted the mitigation, I submitted the application. I think it's changed now. We have to do them together. I'm just waiting approval or denial. His court date's tomorrow. I was wondering if I could get 1 week. Just in
You
case.
said he done the TRAS?
No, but if I get approval today, I'll bring him in tomorrow to do the TRS. But if I get denial, I'd like to bring him in next Thursday for a plea or trial. Kind of deal.
Appeal.
For a plea or trial, because he's being offered time
Are
served.
you not gonna try to appeal?
Appeal?
Yeah.
Oh, the mitigation denial, if it gets denied, I can appeal it. I mean, from what I understand,
Hey, tell me,
So on this
BAC
one,
is, what is it?
so the last thing we have is from,
No. What's the BAC?
oh, DAC.
0.16, Judge.
Yeah,
Yeah.
No accident, no criminal history.
I don't, okay. I've had 3 denied today, but they were high BACs. So, yeah.
So
So,
optimistic.
yeah,
If I get approval today, I'll schedule the TRAS as soon as possible.
you can bring him in, we can do a walkthrough.
Okay.
So whatever you want to do. I mean, the case is 203,
I
right?
thought it was at 190, but you might be right, Judge.
I'm looking at someone else. So if, how long are we looking if they set TRASs? Is it,
Typically, regular TRAS, no circumstances to be submitted, maybe 1 or 2 days.
oh, for the appointment?
One more time?
To make an appointment, it's 1 to 2 days to get them
Oh,
in?
speaking of appointment, I could do a walk today and see today.
No. But if he wants to call to make an appointment, is it like a week to get them in or 2 days
Oh,
or?
no, they can get them in immediately. I
Okay.
can email them.
Whatever you want, Ray.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll set you off for a week. If you get the approval before then, just let us know.
That's all I asked. Thank you so much, Judge.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
It's on tomorrow.
Do I email it to her?
You're right here, just do it now.
There's nobody. Oh, Sebastian?
Wednesday, Gonzalez?
Okay, so. Tomorrow.
Wednesday.
So,
Did you get a bond set?
Yeah, the 5,000, and I have Shelby coming, Shelby Burns.
Okay, so, I'll release her to them and we'll just notify the bailiffs so that way they know.
Yes, that'd be great. And we have a
As soon as
date.
she's done signing, you guys are good. As soon as Shelby gets here. So, yeah, of course.
Okay.
You know, Alex, I need your help if you don't mind.
Yes.
If I can give you a cause number, please.
I'm ready, Judge.
254-7148. It's 2 counts of assault.
Yeah.
So apparently this gentleman has court on an arraignment on Friday. But looks like he went back to California where he lives because
Okay.
what happened, if you don't mind? And then I need an NCIC to see
Okay.
his criminal history, if you don't mind.
So in this case, the officer was at an NRG stadium and the complainant advised that while trying to leave the stadium, the defendant was sitting close to the complainant during a game and that they talked trash back and forth. And towards the end of the game, as they were leaving, the defendant followed the complainant and then as they continued to walk away, the defendant swung at the complainant with a closed fist and struck him in the back of the head, causing pain. And then, let me read the NCIC.
I have 2 counts of assault though. Did he?
There are 2 complainants, Your Honor. And then the second complainant, it says that while attempting to stop the first assault, the second complainant was knocked down and was pushed to the ground, and that's what caused pain.
Okay. Hey there, Mr. Burns.
Hey, Judge.
How are you? Great. We'll release her to you. I'll just let them know and then whenever you want. Thanks.
I don't see any other criminal history, Your Honor.
Okay, so he can pick a day next week. He's gonna be here next week and we'll set it as at the end.
Okay.
Right. Then she moved to Northern Virginia. And now I nothing really got here, or I guess they were here since the most part, so in August. People move up 3 months, it's crazy. Go for 4 months, actually. I know. I know. I've been right here in the office.
Still here? Been here all day?
It's down today, but. Is he Judge?
See you. Take care.
Right. Yeah. I know you will. I know. It's so good. Something to see it. Why would it be not having Yes.
Thank you.
First.
All right, and it's discovery. Yes. She's what to do. Hello. No, let me just let us, use will be right back.
I don't know if you want to be signed from me.
What's restitution will be? Some of you all having difficulties contacting for that number.
Where
Hey, you done?
Well, we have, two open, which I think they're getting resolved right now, this phone turns in.
It's a,
Okay, well, we'll have to do is, once you send that, we'll put the contract sent to you, whenever you sign it, just email the contract, then we'll send it to you, get the file contract. Yes.
Well, we do have one in the back that I forgot, visor.
And then he's known someone.
It's an old case, and Brian was Venus on it, I will note him to supply.
have you heard from him or who's the guy that is it David? The guy that,
Bill, is it Bill?
Bill?
I guess I'm way off, I don't know.
Yes.
Done, gone.
Maybe doing that. Very stuff on that. It was awful. You know, whatever it is.
Looks like the case got set to February, you know?
I figured he'll ask for, do they ask for the felony? Do you bless that?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I mean, I don't want to just do it without them. We gotta,
Yeah.
right.
When I talk,
Yeah,
so I don't have to tell them to a criminal.
You're saying two classes.
I don't think he doesn't represent them upstairs. I mean, I'm looking now. She has an appointed lawyer upstairs.
Just, you know, it's on the urgent, two drivers and diesel cars and in the back of the Restitution.
Oh, no problem, yeah.
I'm gonna go to, everything that's happening, or either do it or say it. You know, so I'm gonna put it.
That's a good deal, you said. So the old one.
Yeah, shoot for it.
No, I know, sure, check out.
But do it, just let them take care of it, but I don't know if somebody's.
Right.
Yeah.
But I will, I agree. You agree?
Yeah. You said to me that I don't think it was the water.
Okay, so that's all I had. I know. Is that everything that one bill or is it? In the bucket donation.
I'm interested in you. I don't agree. I don't know. I agree. I don't know.
Where's that fan?
So.
I should have. Yeah, exactly. One court to another, that's it'll be fine, then you can just sit there, I guess, so, you double check this week, make sure that, yeah, and everything else is good. Sure.
Okay.
Smith's for your.
Yeah. Okay. I figured it out.
Let's get started, approach.
Yes. Blood.
So.
Yes, pretty good.
Yes.
It's ready.
They got with to train.
Oh, you have someone else.
That's except awful.
And I appreciate that, boss.
Of course.
That was a.
Restitution and class.
That's good. The felony court on that bond.
This one, girl, has really.
Beer has a little monkey.
She's great.
Yeah, she is.
Yeah.
She's so smart.
She is, and I'm not liking.
But you can hopefully get the right decision. You know, I know you may not, but the idea is to be fair, you know?
Well thought through.
Right. And I think that you get that with her.
Oh, great.
She's been doing it long enough that she knows, you know, where you get others who get up and just
Yeah, I get it. She was staff counsel for
For us. No, no, no. Misdemeanor. Yeah. She was great. I mean, just so knowledgeable, responsive. She's great. We were sad to lose her.
Did you know? College Baseball Hall of Fame.
Yeah. Amazing.
Yeah. I didn't know that.
I think I even saw a video of her just belting one out, and it was just, oh yeah, there's one, I don't know where, I don't know how I saw it, but I think I saw one of her just like, just,
All right, well, thank you, Judge.
of course. Mr. Booker, hey, so we got him out. Finally, just,
Thank you for helping with that.
no, I'm just, I don't know why it didn't get done the first time, and I'm sorry, and I'm just, it really sucks, because I hate it when that happens.
Yeah. Every once in a while it does, and it's like something small, and it's usually on the weekend and all of that, so.
Hey, what you got?
Judge, I have Natalie Garza, and it's over 180 days, I think 183.
Okay,
The state located the complaining witness in the case. It's an FSGI. We have a restitution number, and the state did make an offer, so I'm gonna bring her in next time. She'll either agree to it, which I do think is a good offer,
offer what, a nollie with restitution, how much is
and a
restitution?
class, $500 deductible.
Okay, so it's not too bad.
No, it's not.
How long do you want?
Just wanted to let you know, see how much time you want to give her to come in.
You tell me how much you want.
I don't know what her money situation is, but whatever standard reset to have her come in, she could at least do the class at that point, have that done. Maybe have a portion of it, a couple weeks.
Okay, we'll give her a couple weeks. She didn't have it done, she got to be here.
Gotcha,
We'll go from
gotcha.
there.
Thank you,
I mean,
sir.
It's $500, not a, you know, it's,
Gotcha.
A couple of weeks. She doesn't have
Okay, so what it says is, the roles in Commissioner right now. Now, wow, thanks. Crazy. Oh my God.
Make a good time, girl.
Yay. They adjusted the bid to bird off. Like, what's that? And so.
I think Judge said he filed. Okay.
Wait, you have verses? You never noticed? Right. We definitely don't know.
No. Just trying to hopefully resolve his felony on the next court date.
And then,
That's why that's so complicated. So good.
Somewhere.
You okay?
Judge, do we need to approach on the ODL? Okay, all right, Judge.
I just, she tells me whether everything's done and stuff, and then we
Okay.
just sign it.
I've been in here about 3 times on, I'm just making sure it gets done today. Appreciate it.
Gotta work for it, man.
Huh?
Gotta work for it.
Hey. Thank you,
You
Judge.
got
Have a
it.
good one.
Thanks. Thank you. Hold on.
The probation, yeah.
You know what, I'm using it with Congress, it's on the first.
You too. Take care. Are you done?
See you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Oh, it didn't work out. What happened? No. With Nathan.
We just need an occupational license so we can enter the PTI contract tomorrow.
Anything I can help out? What do you need?
Yeah, we just, once the DA is generated, we'll sign it, get it notarized.
I mean, if you've got everything done, we can waive it for tomorrow so she doesn't have to come back. You know,
I'll be here.
so whatever you want. If you got it, I don't want to,
She has to sign the PTI contract.
you can do that at your office.
Sure. If you'll wait for appearance, it's fine, and then I'll get a reset tomorrow.
Sure. Yeah. I mean, try to do as much as you can. We can always Zoom too. So, however you want.
Thank you, Judge. Appreciate it.
Still have the final shifts being the best.
Are we money?
Waiting on
Who?
council for vote. On page 23. I'm guessing we're getting a supervision order today. I'm not sure.
Kelsey, are you filing a supervision order on Vo?
I need to have, it's a very irritating process. I need to get a certain email that says you can file it, so I'm literally emailing Brenda Humus now.
We're waiting for approval. I
And
guess.
bring that to when I have to schedule another, event.
Cool. Yes, John.
James, are you wanting to do that plea today?
We're gonna try to do that plea today, Judge.
Okay. On Fox?
Okay, Judge?
Yeah.
You told me he was good to go, so I told him.
No, I didn't say that.
Yeah, we did a reset.
Well, we did, but that's true.
Oh, no. He gone.
Yeah, okay, that's my bad, I shouldn't have done that.
I put him on to Friday.
For Friday, okay, then we'll do it,
Friday of all days.
then we'll do it Friday, is that okay?
You can roll it to tomorrow if you want.
Tomorrow, you want to do it tomorrow?
Okay, we'll roll it, we can do that, I'll be here, Judge.
Whatever.
Okay.
Yeah.
You should-
And that way you can file it now so we can be ready for
Yeah,
tomorrow.
and also we found out late in the day anyway. It's like,
Just put it on Friday.
yeah, but at least we got it all figured out.
No.
It's okay.
Yeah, so just.
Sorry about that, Judge.
We'll be ready for it.
So we'll get that on. Sorry about Well, he'll be stuck in there regardless to the felony.
Oh, right, so he's
So,
not getting.
no, he's not getting out.
I don't believe it.
All right, see you tomorrow.
All right, thanks, James.
Oh, great, and then they said the Fox, they are the commission.
It was just, oh, so the nice design, like, this is all better.
Right.
In the hairs, was.
Okay, great.
What am I doing now? To go with this section. Can you come get your thing? Yes, and I'm just really.
And so, you notes, she's like, I'm just. Just double checking that he's law. Right. You can see I'm love that fun.
I don't know, I can see.
There. Yes, and bad impression, those phones like my dad, it's just kind of, it's no name. I just accepted it like that, but it's not true. Yeah, and then when I was looking at it, I guess he's just talking more about us. Which I don't think that we just. Yes. And it sounds like we may have. I was just confused what he was saying. This is even having to do with the. Like. It's to me, because we went to my board and then. Okay, cool. I guess it's probably that's something, even the fence that, I think we just notify them and then they draft it and. It just should be it. But who knows when we'll find them. Oh. Yeah, what's that? How does that work? It's family when I wanted to look at the house, it was just kind of something that they told me on outside. Yes. You want to spend? Okay, that's 0232015. And yes. So they accepted on that absence term. They wanted us to start. Thank you so much. Okay, so it is already on there. I don't think so. When you say push over, we're seeing yours because he was telling me to file it, but I understand it's all. Okay, so we're making office to do it. Okay. Okay. And then I'll see it in my bill as well.
See that?
No. Do you have a case number? Is it your colleague? It's. No, the spin is something different. Okay. Okay, just go ahead. Okay. And then for Vogue, Your Honor, I'm gonna file that supervision number now. I just need to change one thing. It'll be done in like 5 minutes. Okay, yeah. He's supposed to see this. on January 13th, so. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're done.
We're waiting on Bo and.
She said she's
Pfizer.
filing a supervision order.
Yes, I'm changing the date and doing that now.
Well, that's something you can sign later.
Yeah.
And, Visor is only 122.
Sam, hey, Ben.
How you doing,
How
Joe?
are you?
Doing well. You're hopefully getting rid of one of your favorite clients,
Who?
Marcus Williams. He's not on docket today.
Oh, got it. Okay. Yeah, I,
So I know you do research on this stuff.
Right, right.
Where did they change that?
Frazier took off from the facility again? Yeah, you filed a motion to revoke on Daniel Frazier.
So we got the dog today.
I wonder if they filed another felony on him. They did. They filed another felony.
Hey, Judge, Felicia's asking if you'll sign conditions in there. And could you possibly see if he will sign them and what to do about the signatures? I'm guessing, would you waive the defendant's signature?
For who?
She says off docket from yesterday. Do you see any notes in there? I guess I'll ask
I
her.
see, I mean, there's this one here. There's at least 2 amended conditions.
Okay, I'll ask her specifically for which one.
I mean, have the defense lawyers, do they know?
There are 2 in there. I wasn't in here yesterday, but I know she was talking to me about them. She said she was gonna ask you about it, but there's 2 in there, amended conditions that don't have signatures.
Do the defense lawyers know about them though?
Yes, what it
Both?
says for the person that was here yesterday, they came in and like, one of them was like taking in the interlock device off. But like today, like I usually do try to ask, okay, do you want the?
Either of those, the one you're talking about yesterday, I think that was Turner, right?
Turner was the only one.
I didn't remove any other interlocks, but I don't, yesterday, but
Let me look at the conditions and make sure which ones we're talking about.
one of them is Herman Martinez's case, Vic, on Juarez.
Yes, Juarez.
That one is Herman's case, Herman Martinez, and it's a DWI. And the conditions, client has agreed to a PTI, all supervision will be under HCCSCD.
Well, she didn't give me a name and I didn't know there were multiple in there, so I just texted.
I really have the ones that show. And then
The other one is Nambe Yamba, and I think he's in custody, 254.
we need to find her name. Yes, those are the 2 that, I mean, and the Juarez. And I know Juarez is on PTI, so I don't know why
Never mind that.
another another.
So this dude is in jail. he's got 100,000 on a ag assault. Is Miss Turner's client.
Okay.
And this is a good one. On this one, I did talk with her on Namba Yamba to waive the signature and I'll sign it. That's a good one because I remember that one. As far as Juarez, I don't know.
Yes, he is on Juarez. The amended condition says, client has agreed to a PTI, all supervision will be under. I don't think that.
I just don't remember. And I mean, I can call Herman and find out.
If they're under PTI, I don't think that pre-trial.
It's fine.
There's another part of.
No. They're supervised elsewhere, right?
Yeah.
Maybe that's why they're transferring it to,
Let me just double check.
okay.
Hopefully, yeah.
That's what.
I know.
Let's just guess.
Do you want the day after the felony?
Okay.
And you guys gonna get hired upstairs or no? It's a lot of stuff. It's a
I'm
lot.
being honest with you, Judge. I think she still owes us for the misdemeanor. I don't think so.
Again?
I think she still owes us on the misdemeanor as well. I don't think she's gonna hire on the felony. We've been talking with the family, trying to get it resolved. She has a decent offer on the felony that would also get this case wrapped up as well.
What do they offer in felony? Alex, what they offer in felony?
They offered a 2-year
Yeah.
She has a lot of credit already. She's been in custody since she's been arrested.
But it's only been 3 months though.
I think she was in there before then on something else, correct?
You may have been, let me see.
I mean, all these cases are so our case is from September.
Right.
She picks up a new case in the robbery in October. She gets out on bond and then she picks up another 2 thefts. I think unless they file these, let me.
Later. One of them might
Don't-
be to be judged.
Right, so I don't think that she probably has,
That much credit.
right? No, these are
They're new, the new.
November, they're new.
Never mind.
So
I'll talk to the appointed attorney that she has on the felonies just to see timeline, how quickly they could get it wrapped up.
it's not a big deal. Don't force the issue.
I know it's one of those things, but.
We'll just carry it for as long as we can and then we'll see. So we'll just give you whatever you want the day after.
The day after would be
Yeah.
perfect, Judge.
Okay.
Got it.
Done.
Thank you. Thanks, Judge.
Thanks, Matt.
Like pirate.
Do you need me to sign?
No, it's in custody. Did you want to talk to him before? we finish up? Thank you.
One of the witnesses wasn't there, or that was the thing. I think like one of the people that y'all.
I think we're done.
Well, getting files, so yes.
He's like hearing it. And then I think.
Miss Adams never signed her bond conditions.
This is the one that distracted.
That's a problem.
I remember. What's that?
There were state bond conditions. She never signed it. So we need to reach out to Frank and let him know.
Were there state trial conditions? Because I still.
Yeah. No, or wait a second. You did do pre-trial conditions, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll just, yeah, I'll just kill him.
Judge, there's criminal cases like you, they just filed defendant led in finance.
Okay. I just signed it on Bill.
I'm being told that they just.
Sign to a PTI, agree to a PTI, then they don't need to be, there's not a condition, the bond that needs to be signed.
So you just,
I can just delete.
That's why I keep an eye on.
did something happen with Mr. Williams, Sam, upstairs?
He took a 6-year TDC offer.
Oh, he's so young.
So young.
How old is he? Like 19? Hold on a second. I'll look. I mean, he was so young. What? 2002.
Maybe I had an email to her.
22, 23?
Wow.
Very young.
I haven't, I'm still to look something. Hello?
Yeah, no,
Is that how it was? We're on phone call case.
Todd, I'm taking off. Do you need anything?
Okay, thank you.
Guys,
I appreciate that.
done.
All right, thank you. He's just.
Amy, thank you so much for helping out. We're done. It's been a pleasure.
Down here, I see everybody, so.
Except me.
You remember the days down here? It's, so where are you now when you leave? Where are you?
So
That's-
Bricks.
Got it. Okay.
It's at the end of the month.
That's why my nose was in the book here a little minute ago.
Were you there before?
I was, yes, I was there. It was in a pellet for about a year and a half, and I was for about a year. And then I did a lot of pellet work out when I was a defense attorney. Yeah.
Do you prefer that or the trial bureau?
It's hard to, to love both of things, I would say that like day to day, trial work is really fun, but in the appellate world, you get to shape law and policies, and you get to see how like your work really impacts
And the knowledge you gain from, yeah,
fun in its own way, but it's more of a long game. It's not that,
yeah.
trying to get the great feeling right away, But I love them both.
Yeah. Okay, guys, we're done. Oh, Kelsey, do you mind signing a motion to revoke, please, on Mr. Frazier?
Of course.
And then after that, we're gold.